Okay guys, so right now we're playing with Ari, our amazing little bird. We got him 2 days ago. He's already very abundant to us. Aren't you, Ari? Well, in all conclusion, I think that Ari is absolutely amazing. See, he just goes right for it. Okay, watch closely at Ari's beak.
I think he's tired. He's closing his eyes. He wants to sleep.
Okay, well,
Maybe because he's on the sun. I'm not sure. So
he
he's a bit lazy now, actually.
He probably just, yeah, he probably doesn't want to play anymore.
Yeah. He's on the sun, and I can see he's closing his eyes. So I want to sleep now. You only have to put your cage on the sun, Ari, so you can enjoy a little bit of sunshine. Hmm?
Probably not.
See, he cannot put his beak. So he can make a couple of holes in one of them. At least he'll be able to put the beak in there and play.
Oh, yeah. You should see what we have for Ari. Okay, so that's Ari in his cage. He has a lovely, wonderful cage. He really likes eating. Oh.
I'll shut the door just in case.
Yeah.
Fly away.
He really likes
Leave
playing
these ones
with
there. I need them there.
Okay.
For his cover for tonight. Until we make the cover.
Well, bye-bye, Ari. So if you ask me, I think Ari is personally a great bird. Yeah, you should see how he behaves while we're not there and stuff.
That's me.
So I very love Ari so much. He is probably one of the best birds I could ask for, really. So we got him 2 days ago, and he's already being so kind to us and stuff like that. And yeah. So the thing I love about Ari the most is how freaking adorable he is. Like, he's so cute. He's staring at me right now because I'm recording outside at the table right next to where he is. Just look.